Francois from Keller Williams Realty, and let me take you on a tour of 3839 Point Forest Drive. First off, we have this expansive front porch where you can dine al fresco. You can see there's plenty of space, and there's electric boxes if you want to add a ceiling fan. Plenty of room to gather outside. Come on inside and let me show you this gorgeous country retreat right in St. Louis County. Here on the left, we have this beautiful office or formal living room space. To your right, you have this gorgeous dining room with cove ceilings. You'll notice throughout the main level, we have hardwood floors and 9-foot ceilings. Just behind the formal living room or office, we have this large family room. It's got gorgeous windows, again, the 9-foot ceilings and hardwood floors, and custom woodwork throughout. Rounding out the first level is this beautiful large kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, tile backsplash, and then I'll show you just to the side, there's a great laundry room and mudroom. Right off the kitchen, you'll see we have this awesome main floor laundry room and mudroom. It creates a great drop zone when you enter from the attached 2-car garage. As you can see, there's an oversized 2-car garage with workshop area and plenty of storage. You'll also notice we have a beam vacuum cleaner that works fabulously. Don't miss the staircase down from the 2-car garage to the basement. Makes for easy loading and unloading. Bring nature inside your home with this beautiful Patriot Sunroom addition. You can enjoy the outside while in climate-controlled environment. It's fully heated and cooled. Come on up the Dutch staircase. Yes, there is plastic on the carpet, but that's protecting this brand new warranted carpet that's throughout the second level. When you get to the second floor, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms, all with walk-in closets. Let me show you the primary ensuite. Here's the gorgeous primary bedroom. You'll notice we have vaulted ceilings. Again, the brand new carpet. Everything in this house has been freshly painted, and don't miss the large walk-in closet. Plenty of room for storage in there. As I said, the primary bedroom is ensuite, so just off the bedroom, you'll find this lovely bathroom with soaking tub, double vanity, and a step-in shower in the throne room. Here's the second of 4 upper-level bedrooms. Again, this one also has a walk-in closet. The third of 4 bedrooms, looking out over the beautiful front yard, and again, another walk-in closet. And here's the last of the 4 upper-level bedrooms with a beautiful window overlooking the front yard, built-in shelving, and another walk-in closet. Downstairs, you're going to find a great recreation space. So half of the basement is fully finished. There's a walkout to the outside and a powder room, perfect for when you're hanging out downstairs and don't want to run up. Right outside the finished basement, you'll find this patio with some privacy, and it's got a hookup if you want to add a hot tub. Normally, I wouldn't show off the unfinished basement, but you have to see this amazing HVAC system with geothermal heat pump. This is a $30,000 upgrade to this home. We've got 2 water heaters and 2 electric panels for all your power needs. As I said, this home is a true oasis in the country. Down here, you're going to find a gorgeous flagstone patio in the shade of these beautiful trees. Here's something you won't find hardly anywhere in St. Louis County. This home comes with its own switchback trails down to a dry creek bed and its own personal bridge. Walk across this bridge and find a sweet resting spot in your private forest. Like I said, this home is a true retreat in St. Louis County. And don't miss loads of extra storage in this fabulous tough shed. And last but not least, we've got this full rainbow play set and dome climber. These stay with the house, so great for the little ones in your life. Thank you for going on a tour with me of 3839 Point Forest Drive in St. Louis County. This Sunday, October 13th, there'll be a public open house. Anyone's welcome to attend who'd love to see this beautiful home from 1 to 3 p.m. If you'd like to arrange an individual showing, give me a call at 314-397-0253. You can also direct message me, text me, or you can email me at sfrancois@kw.com. Don't miss, you're forever home.